Hey everyone, my name is Eddie Harris. I was born and raised in San Francisco, California, and I still live in San Francisco now with my wife of 4 years and our beautiful 15-month-old daughter. As for me, I coach and teach at a community college here in the Bay Area. I'm an adjunct faculty member of the kinesiology department, so I teach your basic lab activity courses. That could be anything from basketball. I am spinning certified, so spinning, weight training, badminton, you name it. If we've offered it, I've probably taught it at least once by now. As far as the coaching goes, I am the men's assistant basketball coach. I was a former Division I basketball player. Basketball is a huge part of my life. So I'm pretty excited that the NBA is back and playing. But I just really enjoy teaching and coaching. Right now I am teaching online activity courses. It's definitely new and different, but we're getting through it and doing the best that we can. As for being in the program, I'm hoping to advance my career. I'd love to do my job full time. I want to be a full-time instructor and also a head coach. And head coaching jobs are usually full-time, which means you need your master's degree in order to get the job. So I'm hoping that this program will help me take the next step in my career. As far as hobbies, I enjoy weight training, working out. Not a whole lot of weight training going on except for body weight the last 6 months. But I also enjoy watching sports and playing sports. Thankfully, there's some sports to watch, but I'm not doing too much playing with sports lately. And just hanging out with friends, socializing, barbecues, game nights. So not a whole lot of that happening lately either, but hopefully one day soon we can get back to normal. But for now, just hobbies are playing with my daughter and hanging with my wife on the couch watching Netflix. So looking forward to meeting everyone. Hopefully everyone's doing well. Take care and be safe.